One wrong move and it can ruin the aesthetic of your home for good. And even worse, the taillights of this vinyl surgeon might be the last thing you ever see of them. At Clemens Home Solutions, we're here to put an end to shoddy workmanship and unethical business practices with our in-house, full-time, and trained to be the best vinyl siding installation team. We bring you a wide selection of top-tier vinyl siding installation options tailored to add charm and durability to your beloved Albany or East Central Indiana home. Recognized as one of the leading siding companies in the broader Delaware and Randolph counties, we're proud to offer a range of stylistic vinyl options for siding replacement. But that's not the only thing we offer. Our flexible financing options are here to give you a wide choice of payment options on your terms, so you can make your project an easy possibility. Add in our Clemens Guarantee, where we take care of any workmanship issues that are our fault, 100% free of charge since our mistakes can happen to anyone after all. And unequivocally putting your trust in us for your vinyl siding replacement becomes clear as day. Because we believe that a budget and the need for accountability should never be a barrier to your home's transformation. Our dedicated team of siding contractors guarantees a smooth, hassle-free siding installation, delivering top-notch service right to your doorstep. So, join the ranks of our growing list of highly satisfied homeowners who made the right decision to go with Clemens Home Solutions for their home siding replacement. Visit us at clemenshomesolutions.com or give us a call at 765-358-7535 today.